The next question is question number 10. Two poles are of equal heights are standing opposite to each other. Two poles are pole AB and pole DC. These are the two poles standing on the ground, and the height of these two poles are equal. We have considered this height to be h. On the either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. This is the road wide. How much wide? It is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, here P is the point on the road in between them, in between the poles. The angle of elevation of the top of poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. The angle of elevation with the first pole is 60 degree and angle of elevation to the top of second pole is 30 degree respectively. Find the heights of the poles and distance of the points from the poles. Now we are to find AB, CD, BP and PD. Now we have two triangles, triangle ABP and triangle CDP. Now I consider that BP is equal to X and then PD will be equal to 80 minus X, because this BD was equal to 80. The width of the road is given to be 80, then BD is 80. If I consider BP X, then PD will be equal to 80 minus X. 80 minus X is PD. Now in triangle ABP, H upon X is equal to tan 60. Tan 60 is square root 30. H is equal to square root 3 into X. And in triangle CPD, CD upon PD is equal to tan 30. That is, now again CD is H. H upon 80 minus X is equal to tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. And from here we get H is equal to 80 minus X upon root 3. Now we know that H is equal to X root 3. Then we put the value of H, X root 3 into square root 3 is equal to 80 minus X. Then square root 3 into square root 3, 3. 3x is equal to 80 minus X. 3x plus X, we have brought minus X to left. 3x plus X is equal to 80. 4x is equal to 80. X is equal to 80 by 4. We bring 4 to the right side. 80 by 4. On cancellizing, it becomes 20. X is equal to 20 meter. X was BP. BP we have found out to be 20. Now PD is 80 minus X. Then 80 minus 20, it will be 60. Now H was equal to X root 3. Therefore we put the value of X was 20. It was 20. Then it becomes H is equal to 20 square root 3. Now we have got the three answers. Heights of the pole 1 and pole 2 is 20 square root 3 meter. Distance of pole 1 from the point P is 20 meter. Distance of point P from the pole 2 is 60 meter. These three answers we have got. Now we come to the next question. The next question is question number 11. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of canal. Here is a canal. This one is the canal. And these are the, here one bank of the canal and here is the other bank of the canal. Now there are 2 points opposite to the two banks of the canal. One is point here, this point and this point. We have 2 points opposite to each other on the banks of the canal. And here is the tower. This is the tower at one side of the canal. See here, a TV tower stands vertically on bank of canal from a point on other bank directly opposite to tower. The angle of elevation of the tower is 60 degree. The angle of elevation of top of tower is 60 degree. We get the triangle ACB. From another point 20 meter away from point on the line joining the points of the foot of tower, the angle of elevation of top of tower is 30 degree. Now here on the other bank 20 meter away from sea there is a point. From this point the angle of elevation of top A of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Now we have to find the height of the tower. We consider that height of tower is h and this distance CB is equal to x. Then h upon x is equal to tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to square root 3. Means h upon x is equal to square root 3. H is equal to square root 3x. This is the equation number 1. Now in this triangle, say this point is P. Now in triangle APB, h upon 20 plus x. H upon 20 plus x is equal to tan 30. H upon 20 plus x is equal to tan 30. H upon x plus 20 is equal to 1 by square root 3. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Now put the value from equation number 1 into equation number 2. H was equal to square root 3x. We put on the place of h square root 3x. It becomes square root 3x upon x plus 20 is equal to 1 by root 3. Now from here we get square root 3x into square root 3. When we bring this square root on the left side, it will get multiplied with square root 3x. Then it will become 3x. 3x is equal to x plus 20. From here we will get 3x is equal to x plus 20. Then we take x on the left side. See here 3x is equal to x plus 20. 3x minus x is equal to 20. 2x is equal to 20. X 20 by 2 it's equal to 10 meter. H is equal to square root 3x. We have found out x is equal to 10 meter. Then we will put the value of x here. H is equal to square root 3x. X was 10. Then it will become 10 square root 3. H is 10 square root 3 meter. X is 10 meter and H is equal to 10 square root 3 meter. These are the two answers that we have got in this question.